So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great. So in this video we are going to see the 5 ways to remove the first element from the list. I have already created one video where I have shown the 5 ways how we can remove the last element from the list. So here we will see how we can remove the first element. So we will see each the ways step by step with the help of example. So first we will see how we can use slicing. So here I am creating one list like L, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have already seen my video on a string in a Python, you know about the slicing and a brief. So if you haven't seen that video, go and check out that video, then you will understand about the slicing in a detail. So what is the basically syntax for the slicing? First we will pass the starting index, then end index, and then step. So here, as you know, list is a ordered collection of data. So every element have a particular index number. So first it will start with a 0. So we just need to start from the 1, and if we are not going to pass any value, it will go at the end. So here we are taking starting index as a 1, so it will take from the 3 because the starting index for 1 is 0 and for 3 is 1. So now if you will print, you can see it is printing 3, 4, 5. So that is how you can remove the first element using slicing. Now the next one we will see how we can use the del keyword. So here I am creating one list like 1, 3, 4, 5. So here we are using del L and passing the starting index. If you are going to print L, you will see it is printing 3, 4, 5. So that is how you can use del keyword. Now the third one is pop method. How we can use pop method? So that is very simple. We just need to use pop, and here we just need to pass the index number which is 0. So now if we are going to print the L, you can see it is 4 and 5. So it removed the first element which was 3. Now the next one is using remove method. How you can use remove method here? So suppose I am taking another list which is like 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we just need to use remove, and here we just need to pass the element. So first element is 1 here. So we just, if we are going to print the L, you will see it removed the first element which was 1. So what difference between pop and remove? Here we are passing the index number, here we are passing the element. Now the last one is pop left method. So for using this method, first we need to change our list into a DQ, then only we can use this pop left method. Now the question arises, what is DQ? DQ is basically double-ended queue where we can perform push and pop operation from the both side, from the left side as well as from the right side. In a Python, for creating DQ we use collection module, and if you want to learn more about the DQ, please comment down. I will make a separate video on a DQ, what is DQ in a detail. Here I just given you the summary. DQ is a double-ended queue where we can perform the operation from the both side. We implement DQ using collection here, so we just need to import the collection first, and here I am taking one list like 5, 6, 7. So first we just need to convert this list into a DQ. Here I am taking one variable like DQ and using collection here dot DQ. Here we just need to pass the list, our list. Now if we want to check the type of DQ variable, it will be DQ. You can see it is DQ. Now we just need to use like DQ dot pop left. Now if we are going to print the DQ, so here you can see it is showing DQ 6 and 7. In this video we are learning how we can remove the element from the list. So we at the end we just need to change this DQ into a list. So for this we are just going to use the list function and we just need to pass the DQ here. Now you can see we get our list. So that is how you can remove the first element from any list. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section, and please join my Telegram group and post your query. I will try to solve your query, and please subscribe to my channel for this type of video. Thank you so much guys for watching.